Nobody has stood here since December 1972. 6 crews landed, 12 people walked, and then it stopped. Everything they carried down is still there. But the moon is not empty. We left it full. Everything that was ever carried down is still lying exactly where it was put. Not one piece of it has been collected. 6 times humans landed, walked, and came home. Every one of those sites is still there, undisturbed, uncovered, unvisited. Nothing has moved them, because nothing up there moves anything. NASA keeps a catalogue of man-made material on the moon. It lists 796 separate objects. Most of them were left deliberately. The bottom half of every lander is still standing where it touched down. It was never meant to come back. It was the launch pad for the half that did. 3 rovers are parked where their batteries died. By mass, about 500,000 pounds of hardware was delivered to the surface. Almost none of it returned. What came home was rock and the people. Even boots were left behind, taken off to save weight on the climb home. So were tools, cameras, backpacks, and empty containers. Anything that could be spared was spared. And that was the arithmetic. Every kilogram of rock coming home had to be paid for. A kilogram of equipment stayed behind for each one. The rubbish on the moon is the price of the samples in the laboratory. Nothing human has ever landed on the far side and walked away from it. It is the one hemisphere our footprints never reached. The far side has been photographed, orbited, and landed on by machines, but never walked. Which is how 96 bags of human waste came to be sitting on another world. They were thrown out to make room for stone. Nobody has ever gone back for them. A falcon feather dropped beside a hammer to test whether Galileo was right. They hit the ground together, and both were left where they fell. A family photograph laid face up in the dust. 2 golf balls, a pair of boots. The moon keeps whatever it is given. And nothing up there can ever be tidied away. But one thing we left was never rubbish. It is still working, and it is still being used. It is the only thing up there that still does a job. A panel of glass corners left by Apollo 11, 14, and 15. No power, no electronics, nothing that can fail. It has needed no maintenance for more than half a century. 3 mirrors meeting at right angles. Light arriving at any angle leaves along the path it came in on. Which means a beam fired from Earth comes back to Earth. Observatories still fire lasers at that panel. The pulse takes about 1¼ seconds each way. Out of an enormous number sent, a handful of photons return. Timing those photons is how we know the moon is moving away from us. 3.8 centimetres a year, about the rate your fingernails grow. The rubbish includes the instrument that proved it. There are 5 of these arrays up there. 3 American, 2 Soviet, and every one of them passive. They were never switched on because there is nothing in them to switch. One of them was lost. An orbiter went looking for it and photographed the rover on the surface in 2010. Lunokhod 1 had been silent since 1971. For nearly 40 years, nobody could find it. The first laser pulse aimed at the new coordinates came straight back from a mirror that had been waiting in the dust the whole time. In December 2020, America passed a law to protect the Apollo landing sites. It binds American licenses and asks for an international agreement. No treaty protects the sites themselves. 6 crewed landing sites, and every uncrewed one beside them, remain without any international protection at all. On the Moon, dawn takes 2 weeks to cross the ground. The shadows move slowly enough to watch. 2 weeks of daylight, then 2 weeks of night. There is no wind, no water, no weather. Nothing erodes a footprint but time and micrometeorites. They will outlast everyone who made them. An accidental museum, 796 objects. Left by people who were only trying to save weight. And one of them is still answering.